104 ownership. How in the district are we handling 104? Another biggest challenge. 104 is going to be the single source connectivity. Anybody who's got any difficulty, కోవిడ్ తనకు ఉంది అని చెప్పి తనకు అనిపించిన వెంటనే తాను ఫస్ట్ ఫోన్ చేసే నెంబర్ 104. 104కు ఫోన్ చేసిన వెంటనే బీ ఇట్ టెస్టింగ్, be it admission into a hospital, be it suggesting quarantine or home isolation, be it any of these aspects, somebody makes a phone call to 104, the quality of redressal is going to clearly define whether we are successful in dealing with this or whether we have failed in dealing with this. ఇది ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 104 అనేది మనసా వాచా కర్మన, యూ నీడ్ టు ఓన్ దట్ నెంబర్. Anybody who's making a phone call to 104, please make sure that he's satisfied. Person should be satisfied. Our promise is within 3 hours, we will deliver whatever needs to be done. If it is home isolation, immediately our doctors suggest, after speaking to the person, if they suggest home isolation, then within 3 hours, house ku kit చేరిపోవాలి. If that person does not have a separate house, separate room in the house, hospitals bed capacities మీద load మనం కాస్త తగ్గించాలి. How do we do it? Minor cases which are not so severe, how do we deal with it? That is COVID care center.
Subscribe to Social TV Telugu for more videos. Hit the bell icon for faster updates.